Hello everyone, welcome again. In the previous video we learned how to create a virtual machine using the Google Cloud console. In this video we will learn how to install our nginx web server, one of the most popular web servers in the world, and then we will learn also how to create another virtual machine but using the Gcloud. So in this part of this video we will learn how to deploy a web server and connect it to our virtual machine. So let's get started. Okay, in the previous video we created a virtual machine called nginx. So now we have to connect our nginx web server. To do that we have to click on SSH, and SSH is stand for secure shell, is a second layer of security. So let's click on SSH. Let's wait a couple of seconds until it opens. So SSH, every command line we write in SSH, it will execute only to our virtual machine. But in the terminal here for Cloud Shell, every command line we write, it will affect on all our resources in Google Cloud Console. So SSH, it is for only our virtual machine. So first of all, to get the root access for our virtual machine, we have to write sudo, which is start for sudo su, and now we are at the access for our virtual machine, which is nginx. To just update our operating system, we have to write apt-get update. Sorry, we have to delete the space. apt-get update. Yeah, so now it is updating our operating system, which is Debian, and now it is done. So to install our nginx, we have to write this command line, which is apt-get space install nginx-y, and now it's installing our nginx web server. Let's wait a couple of seconds until it's finished. Yeah, so as you can see, we have done with installing our nginx web server to this virtual machine. To just double check that our nginx web server is running, we have to write this command line in this SSH terminal. So ps uwx grep nginx, and yes, as we can see, it is running worker process. So to just make sure also that our nginx web server is connected to our virtual machine, we can use this external IP, and it will navigate us to another tab in this browser, and it will show us a message say welcome to nginx. So let's give it a try. Okay, as we can see, welcome to nginx. If we see this page, so our nginx web server is successfully installed and working and connected to our virtual machine. So it is a short video of how to install our nginx web server and connect it to virtual machine. In the next video we will learn how to create another virtual machine, but this time using the Cloud Shell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.